Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Flutter online glossary admin app inside. Today we need to see this here the add promo codes UI and edit promo codes and delete promo codes, and also need to connect with here the promo code view models. We need to connect using the GetX controllers. Now first of all need to making here the screens. Need to create here the new files and to give this here the name promo code add view dot dots like this. Write down here. Now need to select here category add screens. We need to copy and we need to paste here like here. Now need to change this here the name promo code add screens, and also need to change here the titles edit promo code, and also need to write down here add promo code. Now we need to change this here the view models. We need to find out here first of all. Now make sure we need to add here the puts and not dispatch, because we need to find here. That's why I need to remove here the dispatch event. Only set here the one times like this configures and to save here. Now another one more things we need to set here. Copy here and to replace with the change names MVVM replace alls, and also need to change this here the promo code view model like this. We need to write down here and to set configurations here and to save this here. Then after we need to write down here the promo codes, enter inside the new promo codes, promo code, copy here, enter promo codes, and to check here the conditions. If widgets is not added, then we need to write down, copy and to paste this here like this conditions we need to apply here. If not added, then need to show, otherwise not show, because we need to promo codes one time create after not edit. Other informations are the edit, but we need to started the promo codes showing, and to not change here the start and end dates. Need to not change because need to already applied other place. That's why need to not change like this. And then after we need to write down here the promo code titles. To write down here the titles, please enter title promo code title, promo code titles, and to write down here txt titles. And now need to first of all remove here the image logic or the clean, and to like this set here. Then after so need to set here the descriptions. Now need to copy here and to paste this here. Now need to write down here the description titles, copy here promo code description like here txt descriptions. I need to write here. Then after so need to need this here the start date and date. Before so need to creating here the minimums order amounts and maximum discounts amount text fields and offer price. You need to set here. Before you need to creating here the selection buttons. You need to develop here. Then after last inside to add this here the date pickers. You need to start and end date. Need to selecting here like this. Need to configure here. First of all, now need to write down here the another text fields for the price amounts. We need to offer amount. We need to set here. Give this here the offer value like this. We need to set here. Enter offer like this. And also need to change this here the txt offer price. Set it price is good. Then after we need to configure here the minimum order, mean order amount, and also need to set here the keyboard types. Need to set here text input type as a number set here. Same as now need to copy and to paste this here. set here txt minimum order price, order amount, like this, write down here. Then after again you need to copy here and to write down here the maximum discount amount, max discount amount, copy and to paste this here amounts txt maximum discount, like this need to set here in for this UI. And then after here the deletes updates, like this, write down here. And first of all now making here the UI for the selection here the types fix amounts and percentage amounts, like this you need to given this here the promo codes you need to apply here. First of all you need to write down here. Now need to go inside the text fields, not terminals, go definitions, and we need to copy this column, close here. Now need to paste this here, and now need to remove here the set here the titles, promo code type. Here two types of promo codes. Here the fixed promo codes. If you minimum amount like this, then to directly need to give this here the discounts. And second is minimum reach and need to give this here the percentage wise. Need to discounts like this set here, like this two type need to setting here the promo code types. And now need to clearing here the text fields no needs and to set this here like this. And also need to set here the space. Now we need to creating here the another size box. We need to develop here size box, give this here the height as I need to set here the 15, then create here the children's and to set here the row like this, set here and to come like this sets. Then to write down here the expands and to create here the inkwell buttons and on press event on tab need to write down here, need to set this here the pvm dot selection type is equal to need to set here the one dots value like here for the click events like this settings here and to configure this here. Now need to set here the childs and we need to set here the row children's, like these configurations are the set here. Now need to set here the icons dots, need to write down here radio buttons off and need to set here the color color primary colors we need to set here like this configures. Now need to check here conditions, if equal to set here the 0, value is equal to 0, then set here the off otherwise on icons radio check like this, write down here. Now need to set here the some space size, give this here the width as a 15 and now need to set here the titles. Now need to copy these titles and to set here. Now set titles as a fixed like here and now need to save this here and again so now need to copy here and to paste this here. Now need to set here the one and also need to check here once and to set here the percentage like this sets here. Now need to save here like this configures and to see this here the UI. Then after need to integrate here the date pickers, start date and end dates need to see here. First of all now need to configure this UI. Inside go here the view and click once here the add events. So need to write down here the get dot to events. So need to call this here and now need to write down here the const promo code add screens like this. You need to write down here and to semicolon here the check here. Save. Now app is runs. Now need to go and also need to go inside the accounts. Select here the promo codes. Now click on and to show this here the add UI. You need to like this showing here and to add this here the add and delete. So need to set first of all. Also need to check here the percentage and like this value. Now we need to need this here the another configurations are we need to first of all need to find out here the date pickers. Now need to go inside the swap space and to enter here Flutter's date times pickers plus we need to use this here the library need to needs here the imports. Check this here and to import this library for the date pickers. I have already added here. Now we need to go inside the ads. Now need to first of all the show this here the library. Go here. I need to write down here. This library you need to use this here date time pickers and to check this here the name. Use here already we need to imports. Now we need to creating first of all the UI. We need to develop here the link text buttons. We need to develop. Now need to create inside the common widgets and to give this here the name new files and to set this here the text line text button dots. We need to set here the small case like here's dots. Now we need to copy here the text fields and we need to paste here. Now need to remove here the string to need to write down here the value and also need to remove here these all things no needs. Set here the value but here's is this here and also need to write down here the void callback events for the on press event like here's and also imports these parameters like this. We need to set here the import configurations need to set. Now need to clear this here and first of all now need to set here the inkwell on tab events is equal to set this here the on press. Create here the childs and given this here the comma and now need to set here the child. First of all need to set here the containers. We need to set here the decorations. Before we need to decorations need to set this here the padding const edges insert symmetric horizontal. So need to give this here the 8 not horizontal and to set here the verticals like here and then after so need to set here the childs and to set here the text. Now need to copy here this text and to apply here. Now we need to making here some conditions. We need to check first of all here if value is equal to blank then to set this here the placeholder. Otherwise you need to give this here the value. Same as now need to set here the colors. If not value is empty then to write down here the txt placeholder colors. Like these configurations are the needs here and to configure this here the informations and now need to save this here. Now these buttons are the importance here the inside the UI. We need to develop here first of all. Now need to go inside the add promo codes. Now need to find out here the descriptions and now need to copy first of all. Set here. Now need to write here the link. Maybe here change text. Link text field to change here the button. Save here and now need to use this here the text buttons. Set here the titles. Need to set here the start date. Placeholders inside into select date. and need to give this here the value as a pvm dot selected date start date. Need to call this here the values, and we need to pass this here the string formats. We need to set here the string like this value. Need to configure here, give this here the end of comma, and to write down here the on press event like here. Also now need to copy this value and to paste this here, and to write down here the end date times, and also need to set this here the select end date like this. Configurations are the needs here. First of all, now need to import here the date pickers. So need to call here unused imports, need to remove here like here, clean this here. Now first of all, so need to import here, and to give this here the package name package. Set here the name flutter underscore date time picker plus. We need to set this here, and to give this here the alias dt and semicolon. So need to like this. We need to write down here. And now we need to show this here the pickers. Now we need to go selections for the start date dt dot. So need to set here the date pickers, and we need to call this here the show date pickers. Need to calls first of all need to pass this here the context, and then after need to show this here the title actions. We need to set here the true. After so need to give this here the minimum time. So need to set this here the date time and set here the now like this configures. Then after so need to set here the themes. So need to configures dt dot need to set here the date picker themes. So need to set this here set here the semicolons. Now we need to set here the item styles. So we need to set here need to set here the const text styles. Set here the color black. Then after set here the font weight. Set here the bold. Then after we need to set this here the font size 18, and need to set like this here configurations for the dates. Now need to set here the const value. After we need to give this here the done styles. We need to set here. Now need to copy these styles and need to paste this here. Now we need to set here the 16 fonts. We need to set here the done buttons colors. We need to set here the t primary colors to remove here const t color primary colors. We need to set this here font 16s, and to set here the bold. And another events we need to configure for the list events. Now need to close this here the theme. On change dates, set here the date like years. Then after we need to set pvm dot selected start date value is equal to need to set this here the date like this configures. And another events on confirm, we need to write down here same as. Now need to copy paste this here, and to configure this here, and also need to write down here the on cancel like here. Then after we need to set here the current times. Need to set this here the pvm dots. Need to set this here the selection Maybe need to give this here the current time is good. Sometimes need to make here the errors for the edits. Also need to set here the locals. We need to set this here the dt dot local types. We need to set here the en like this configures and to settings here. Then after again so need to copy here and to same as need to configures of the end. Need to now only change this here the value select end date copy paste this here and like this we need to configures and to save this here. Now all configurations are the done for the add UI view. You need to configure, but now need to make sure so need to delete and edits. So need to configure inside the view models. Now need to go inside the view models and go inside the view. You need to write down here the on events. You need to promo VM dot actions. You need to call this here the deletes and to pass this here the object like here's and also need to write down here the promo for actions edits need to set here the objects like this configurations are the needs here now need to go inside the view models and also need to check here the actions events need to checking here's promo codes view models now need to find out here the edit actions first of all here's and need to set here's get dot call this here the get to and we need to set here the context page and to set this here the const promo code add screens is added. We need to set here the true and to set like this here this edit actions and also make sure here the delete events need to check here the events maybe issue here need to fix this here give this here the remove here the value and you need to calling this here the deletes now what reloads for the this UI need to configure here. Now need to select here the account, select here the promo codes. Now click on edits and to automatically this work here, not an issue. Same as now need to add here need to set here the another configurations for the ads. Need to clear actions need to call this here. Now need to go inside the add promo codes. View models inside need to go and to write down here the clear functions for the actions. Need to write down here void actions open add new like this here. Now need to clear need this all the text clean this here all finals and to write down here the dot value set here blank dot text copy here's and to place here's like this. Then after selection types we need to set here the one dot value copy and to paste this here also paste this here clear obvious like here's save here's. Now need to use this here the actions for the add. Now need to go inside the CodeVM. Need to find out here the add buttons actions promo vm dot actions add open new. Need to cut here and to apply here add event like this. Now need to go inside the promo codes ads and to unused need to remove here. Now need to save again need to back and to click on ads and to clean this here the all selections are the cleaning here. Now need to set here the promo code 10% discount. So need to set here the taste 10 and to write down here the taste 10 PR and also need to descriptions as a set here the titles as a descriptions. Now testing purpose need to set here the short descriptions. Now need to select here the dates. Also need to change here these dates. Need to set here the 31s like this. And we need to change here the weeks and percentage. Need to set here the percentage. Give this here the 10 percentage. Also need to set here the minimum amounts need to 5 and to maximum discounts need to give this here the 1550 like this you need to. And now need to click on ads and to these promo codes are the ads and to showing this here the like this value and to show here the titles, descriptions and expiry dates and to promo codes name. Now click on edits and to change this here the titles here not showing here the codes. No, code are the not edit, only edits here the informations, because if you not needs then to delete calls and to clear this here the codes like this need to configurations are the needs here and to like this you need to set clear here the percentage and need to again need to updates and to here gets here the files need to check here why files updates again spells. Here issue inside the promo code started, that's why not edit, that's why I need to files here. Now need to another promo codes need to add and to change this here the dates and to check here. Need to click on backs, create here the new, enter here the test 20 and to write down here the test 20 and need to write down here the descriptions. Yes, change here the dates 17 like this sets and then after also need to end dates like here. Set here the fixed amounts need to set this here the 15 and minimum amounts need to give this here the 200 amounts orders then to all this years. Maximums need to 15 like this and to set this here the add discounts like this calls and now need to click on edit and to change this here the titles fixed. And now need to click on updates and to promo codes updated successfully like this need to get. Now need to tents need to delete here, need to call this here the promo code deleted successfully. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.